Hello and welcome back. In the following videos, we are going to look at financial analysis. This video will be about income statement and balance sheet. Do you know how to prepare an income statement? It consists of these items. Pause the video and try to arrange these items to make an income statement. Also, think about what an income statement is for. It is important for a MSME to be able to make an income statement, but why is this important for them? Were you able to make an income statement? The items can be arranged in such a way. Net sales or revenue is what MSME earns at first, but they have to subtract cost of sales or cost of goods sold, administrative cost or operating expense, financial cost, and tax. Finally, what is left over is the MSME's net profit, which they can keep as their earnings. Income statement is important for an MSME because it shows if they are making a profit or a loss. You can also prepare an income statement in this way, which is what you commonly see on a notebook or computer software. Balance sheet is also a very basic concept an MSME counselor should know. How do you create a balance sheet? Pause the video and try to allocate the items in the left into the boxes in the right. For example, where does MSME's vehicles belong to? Also, why is a balance sheet important for a MSME? Think about your answer. The correct way to allocate the items into a balance sheet is as such. Note that the left side, which is the assets, is exactly equal to the right side, the sum of liabilities and equity. Asset, like vehicles, factories, and products, are what the MSME owns. Liabilities is what the MSME owes. And equity is MSME's capital. Balance sheet is important because it shows the health and the safety of an MSME. It's a snapshot of the state the MSME is in. To further understand why balance sheet explains the status of a MSME, imagine starting a business. To start a business, you may need to install a factory and equipment and produce products which can be sold. These factory, equipment, and products are valuables. In other words, they can turn into money. These valuable things are called assets. To procure assets, if you have enough money, you can use your own. But if you don't have enough money, you need to get loans from a bank. These origins of money used to secure assets are called equity and liabilities, respectively. So, you use equity or liabilities to procure assets, and therefore, assets always balance with the sum of equity and liabilities. Using the information on the income statement and the balance sheet, the MSME counselors can assess the MSME's liquidity, profitability, capital structure, and efficiency. We will study these in the next videos. Now that you understand the concepts of income statement and balance sheet, you can move on to the next video.